In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Passwords, Passkeys and Data Services, and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, to add any password, hit Add Password here and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!